subscribe and hit that bell, gang.
What's up, Kd Gang? Today I'm back with another banger. Y'all saw how he pranked me on when we went to main event, and he said I lost my phone, and I was really getting so mad, y'all. And they told me I had my phone at the last minute. So now I'm finna get Kd back. I'm finna be ratchet. I'm finna be chewing bubblegum. I'm finna do everything. But y'all, just stay tuned, cause I'm finna get real ratchet. But he really think we doing the Q&A, but we not. I'm gonna be ratchet at the table saying, yeah, you know, y'all. But I'm gonna be very ratchet. But let's get into the video. Period, because Kd finna be like, he gonna say, you acting grown, this and that, but my mom and I already know, so it's nothing to worry about, so I don't care. I'm gonna wear crop tops, I'm gonna be ratchet, I'm gonna wear a little tutu. Y'all stay tuned, I'm gonna wear some big hoops. Let's get into it. So y'all, let me tell y'all what I'm wearing. This stuff is real ratchet. So I got this skirt. Don't mind y'all. It's just like a skirt. And then I got this little crop top shirt. And then I got some tights, y'all. I'm gonna be real ratchet. This not gonna make no sense. I got some tights and y'all already know some boots. Then I'm gonna have some hoops and some gum chewing on my mouth. And then I'm gonna take this off and have a scarf in my head, which just looks so ghetto. This not gonna make no sense. But Kd gonna be like, cut the camera. She acting ghetto, this and that. I know how Kd at, but let's get into the video and I'm put all this stuff on. And the tights go on the skirt and this outfit. Let's get to it. So y'all, I'm back again and I have the thing, I have the tutu, the tights, and the boots. And the rest of the short shirt. I had two my other earrings out. Now I gotta take the bonnet off. And now I gotta put this scarf on. I'm gonna take this one off. Yo, this is so ghetto. So ghetto. Wait, I put the hoops in, y'all. Put the hoops in. I got hoops. I'm so dead. Okay, y'all. This is... There you go. Look at the hoops. This is bad. Okay, next loop, y'all. Okay, these hoops are big. So next we're gonna put the scarf. Okay. Hey. So I'm probably at high rich right now. We're gonna put this scarf on. Oh my god. Now this is bad. Yo, so I'm putting this scarf on. This is too ratchet. This is bad. Okay, now we're gonna put this on like this. Then we're gonna put my this one. This is really out of hand. I'm dead. Okay. Nah, this is too ratchet. Alright, hold on. Necklace takes a hard time. Alright, I got it, y'all. Oh my god, the neck is backwards. Oh, I can't fix it, sorry. That will not be like that. Alright. Next is the glasses. So I'm gonna put the glasses on. Alright. This is gonna make no sense. Next, it's the lipstick. Like that, just like that. This scarf is killing me like this. I gotta fix it over. This is too ratchet. Done. Now, I don't know what it. Oh, the fin. Yeah, the fin. Too ratchet. This is bad. Oh, goodness, I pray for this girl. This is not me. Okay, now I just need some bubble gum. My sister gonna cook the bubble gum. Alright, y'all. Now I need to practice because, like, I'm like, Wassup Kd Gang? Okay, y'all, I can't laugh. I be like, Wassup Kd Gang? You can make a build video. And so we finna be doing a Q&A. You already know. Yeah, what's your favorite color? Oh, I already know that color, red. Okay, y'all, I gotta get my acting skills. Okay, so Wassup Kd Gang? Today we back with another video. We finna be doing a Q&A. Go ahead, Katie, say what you want. Okay, I'm gonna be like that, and then Katie gonna talk, and I'm start talking. I can't laugh though, it's gonna ruin it. He gonna be like, she playing, she doing a video. He always know when you're doing a video or something. But let's get into it. I think I got it, y'all. I really think I got it. So now we're finna go get some bubble gum, and we really gonna wait for Katie. Go over there. Over there.
Why you got that strong?
Q&A.
Sure.
Give me up.
Wassup Kd Gang?
He's not doing nothing.
Wassup Kd Gang? Today we are back with another video.
Shut up. Yeah, today we got another video. So everybody be doing
A Q&A. You already know. So let's get into it.
Why are you talking like that?
Cause I can. Anyways, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is pink and purple. You already know. You already know it's pink and purple. Boo! What you staring at? Man. Anyways, what's your favorite color?
Tony and red and pink.
Can't even talk, you know, Oreos. What my favorite thing to do? My favorite thing to do is be Ratchet and chew gum all day. What's your favorite thing to do? Hello?
My favorite thing to do is like my school and that little lesson room.
Hold on, y'all. Y'all got to my outfit. Pretty don't play me. Let me spin for y'all. Please don't play with me. I'm not one of them. I'll kick me in. Alright, anyways, the other one is who's the meanest? I'm the meanest because he's got people doing everything like he knows stuff. Like, see how he's doing it right now? Like, no. Same outfit, ugly thing, kicking me and stuff. No. Anyways, I'm the meanest, but next question. What's my favorite shoe? It's my ugly, what I got on right now, period. Don't play with me. Yes, ma'am. Yes, that is. Don't play with me. What's your favorite shoe brand? What's your favorite shoe brand? Hello?
Morning.
Yeah, okay, Jordan. Yeah. Okay, what I want to be when I grow up? I want to be like a ratchet rapper. I want to be like the steady girl. I want to be ratchet. Like, you know, I want to be like. Anyways, what you want to be when you grow up? Okay, yeah. What my favorite song? It's the City Girls. City Girls make you rich like Ratchet. Live in top song. Yeah, that's my song. Y'all already know. Alright, what's your favorite song? Next. What's my favorite day of the week? My favorite day of the week is Saturday because I do not like going to school. Those ratchet teachers, they all make me do all that work. Like,
What?
no.
Say it again.
I don't like going to school with those ratchet teachers because those ugly teachers are always making me work.
Like what is you supposed to do?
What's my favorite day of the week? Mine's Saturday.
Mine's Friday.
Friday. What's your favorite Friday?
So we get pizza and McDonald's.
Ew. Next day.
Okay. What my favorite food? It McDonald's. Cause I love McDonald's. It tastes so good. I used to work there, but you know, I don't work there. What your favorite day to work at?
That ass chicken from Papa.
I'm dead. But anyways, we can just keep going. What's your favorite food? Okay.
I mean, McDonald's.
Okay, but anyways, who dressed better? Me?
I do.
But look at that Ratchet, what you got on black and white, boy? What you got on? Oh my God, I look so blind my shades. Don't blame me. I know what it's
match. You don't match. This part rainbow and then this part ugly and brown.
Boy, you say I don't match? Hold up. I don't match the orange, the yellow matching that and everything. What you talk about? What you talk about? Oh, okay. What about you? What about you?
You look like a hoochie mama.
Hoochie mama. Boy, look at you.
She ain't nothing but a hoochie mama. Hood rat, hoochie mama.
Look like you off the streets. Don't play with me.
What's the next question?
We did out of touch. I'm finna talk about you right now. Who the cutest? Me. Don't play with me. I'm not one of them. You hit to the ground.
Alright, you so ugly right now.
Excuse you. What about you? What about you?
So ugly right now. You got a skirt on.
Ugly with Ratchet pants.
You don't match.
You got more eyes. Look at my eyes. Don't play with me. I'm not one of them. I got my eyes necklace. Where your necklace eyes gone? Oh, it went gone.
You look like a hoochie mama. That's who you look like.
And who you look like?
You look
Somebody
like,
at the
you
street.
look like, what's her name? That girl off that one movie.
I ain't nobody out the movie, so don't you play with me.
That, but she called, her name was Big Mama, whatever she called.
Boy,
You look like an
anyways.
old lady. You
Oh, lady, but I know like no other. You gotta be messed up.
You look like an old lady trying to get pretty.
So, old lady trying to get pretty. What about
But
you?
you're still ugly.
But I'm better than you.
Alright, what's the next question?
Ain't no next question.
Yes, hi. How much questions we just did?
We had 8 questions. What's my favorite rapper? My favorite rapper is City Girls. Don't you play with me. I'm not one of him.
My favorite rapper is Lil Baby and The Baby.
The baby and the baby.
The Baby and Lil Baby.
Anyways, we don't care about your rappers because your rappers suck.
Okay.
My rapper is better.
The City Girls is so grown. They some grown.
No.
They Hoochie Mama too.
They're not Hoochie Mama. What about you?
You Hoochie Mama.
I ain't no Hoochie Mama. What about you? Look at that. Look at that.
What you talking like? Alright, shut up for real, cause I'm gonna prank you. I'm gonna prank you now.
Yeah, I ain't pranking no one, boy, cause you gonna be the first one to sleep. You gonna be the first one to sleep, and I never sleep. You always the first one to sleep and watch a movie. Dang, I was trying to get on somebody.
Oh, shut up!
With your ugly head.
Okay.
Your big bobblehead tiny body.
Shut up!
Don't play with me.
Shut up!
No.
Alright.
Ain't no alright. Don't keep me. I ain't playing with you. You don't want to make me muscle my new boots. I don't got money to spend like that.
Not ugly boots.
Yes,
Those
they
are
is.
Stupid ugly boots.
No.
That's wearing in the snow.
No.
You're so ugly today, bro.
I look so fly. Don't you play with me. Dang, I was trying to get on somebody with your little ugly behind. Yeah.
Yeah, no one.
You ain't got nothing. No. But you getting on my nerves. You trying to hit me and jump.
So ugly.
Look at that little cavity you got in your teeth. That's why you can't eat no candy no more.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Alright, what's the next?
With that little ratchet telly over there.
All you doing is act like you're reading the papers or fake head.
Yeah, I'm reading the paper and that little ratchet telly in the back of your head.
Can I see this real quick? Can I see this real quick?
Hey!
You're welcome. Take that.
Hey, what's so funny? What's so funny? Your little buttering seat. Oh! Long fingers. Hit it behind. Don't let me get on you.
What's the next question? Keep talking that little hoochie mama.
I thought a broke bitch said something. Yeah. And I thought a rich girl didn't say nothing. What do I do?
Shut up, man.
Made me got your eyes popping out your head. Ah! Looking like a fish. Anyway.
Next question.
Ain't no that coin.
Then that in the video. Then ain't no next question.
Boy, no. I ain't in no video. No, we ain't do no video. Boo! What you saying? They ain't got a mouth wide. Open up in some girl mouth. Open a girl mouth. Chill. Can't even say my words with you. Boo!
Who you think you is?
I think
You think you what?
I think I'm that girl.
What girl?
Yeah.
What girl?
That girl.
What girl?
That girl.
What?
The city girl. Yeah. That's the girl.
Okay.
Okay.
What's the next question?
I don't know. The next question is up your mouth. If you keep talking. Better get that straight. Don't touch me because my ice is too icy for you to touch. Period.
You shoot ugly. You shoot ugly.
I'm ugly. What is this? What is this?
Balenciaga.
Ain't no Balenciaga. Balenciaga. Jordan 9 man. Shit, boy.
This costed $1 right here.
Baby, this ain't cost $1. This costs $2 million. You messing me up now. You messing me up now. I finna.
This cost
Don't
like,
get on.
This cost about.
Well, this
like
costing
$2.
so much money, so don't be doing
This
it.
costed $3 and this costed $1.
Well, what this cost? Probably like $1.99 at the Dollar
It costed
Tree.
like, you know, it's not that really like, it's not like this.
Boy, buy this house probably cost
It's like
$2.99.
It's like a handbag, so it might be in the 20s.
And I bet those Jordans so cheap, it cost 99 cents. Oh, that's so fake, y'all. Look at those fake Jordans.
They costed like $1,000. Like
Nah, them cost $1 from Dollar Tree. You first stays at Dollar Tree. And then, I bet yesterday they're gonna be breaking. All them gonna be breaking out. Say, Mommy, my Jordan's breaking. Yeah, fake junk getting for Dollar Tree. Bet that earring you got out the street from the ground. No man, no sense.
Now this costs $2,000.
Nah, that costs $1.
Right here.
That costs $1.
Y'all don't mind me because I'm gonna.
Boy, you ain't got no chance because you proud. You ain't like me. Don't play with me. I got these wrists icy. Yeah, don't play with me. Why you looking at me like that? Close your mouth. I see my breath. It smells good. Close it. Boo. You gonna talk? You some dumb statue?
It's not my real sister.
This
It's a fake sister. Where's my
yeah,
other sister?
I'm right here. Don't listen to me.
Daddy? Where's my other sister?
I'm right here.
It's not Daddy.
Actually, I'm not even Disney no more. I'm in City Girls. Don't play with me. I don't care.
Okay, what's us do? What we gonna do? Is sit here and put a video on us? Gang gang, yo. So in the video, make sure you like, comment,
This
subscribe.
ain't no end of the video. I ain't me. I'm the boss. Don't play with
See,
me.
not no.
Don't play with me.
You know.
Shut up. Keep talking about me. My feet is fire. Anyways, in the video, try to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. Peace, gang.
Hey, let me
Hey, don't be putting on my new shades like that.
say that.
Dang. Doing too much.
What y'all saying? Wait, though.
Yeah, on the floor. Get my shade. Get. You messing up my outfit.
Gang gang, so in the video, make sure y'all like, comment,
No.
subscribe, and hit that bell.
No.
Peace, gang.
Well, yeah, I got something to tell them. It was a prank! No, you did not know. He was getting so mad.
I didn't know it was a prank. I already knew that.
No, he didn't.
Because you never act like this. I said, oh, is she recording me?
No, you
I
didn't.
just said-
No, you didn't. No,
I
you
said, let me
didn't.
get. I said,
No,
let
you
me get.
didn't. No, you 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 didn't. Alright, y'all. It was a prank. See in the video right here. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. Peace. Dang.
I'ma need all my cool kids to cart my merch right now. Swipe over to my shop and you can get whatever you want. I have face masks, sweaters, t-shirts, sink socks. I have all that. Girl clothes, I have all that. I have face masks, I have socks, I have all that. So make sure you get all of my merch right now. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Until next time.
Y'all, BBS, diamonds dancing. What's you nobody? 5 years old, I'm a star, but you nobody. Daddy said keep going, I'ma do the dance. They say I kill every beat, body bag. Shake off, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Triple threat, I'm at their neck. Case closed. Run it up. Y'all, running up rat race, running up no shoe race.